That's a big drop. So again, based on weekly chart, we are looking right now at the weakest candle of the last 2 months. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now, here on daily chart, we have something interesting. Look at the last 40 candles. But none of them exceeded the 400 pips. Only the last one right here exceeded 400 pips. So right now, I believe that the gold is way overbought, and of course, due to the core retail sales news, the gold right now is actually unable to break out from the resistance at 29.40, and that tells us that the gold actually has a chance to continue the fall, at least to reach the nearest level of a support at 28.53. After that, we can see what we can do next with the gold. So until the gold reach this level, we will look for selling the pair. Let me just now show you something here based on daily chart again. And right now, let's use the magic of trend lines. So right now here, guys, we have, of course, this level of a strong key support trend line. So we all agree that we have here a strong key level of a supported trend line. Now, according to the magic of trend lines, what you can do next is simply drag and move the same line that you have just drawn here and simply place right here exactly at the nearest level of a key support trend line actually. It can be like this. So right now, we can see clearly that the market has previously created, of course, a resistance string line, then another support trend line, and then we have here another attempt of a resistance trend line, 3 attempts, actually, of a resistance trend line, which means that the gold is actually respecting this level. Now look at that. The gold, after this bullish breakout happened, and the strong drop happened right here, most likely is going in on its way to retest the same level of the support trend line, and the good thing is if we apply right now the Fibonacci retracement, check this out. So right now we can see that this level of a support matches with Fibonacci, 23.6. So again, there is a high chance that the gold actually will reach 23.6 Fibonacci retracement even more to actually reach this level of a support trend line. Therefore, I would recommend to sell the gold until it reached this level of a support trend line. And to be honest with you guys, I would like to draw it again here manually without copying this. Actually can give us a more accurate entry. Check this out. Yeah, this is actually better right here. Again, the same support trend line. And as we can see, if the gold will reach this level, it will most likely respect the same level of a supported trend line. So based on daily chart and weekly chart, we are looking for shorting the gold. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now look at that. The 4-hour time frame, guys, is really telling us a lot in the last few days. As you can see here, the gold. It actually took the gold around 11 candles just to rise for around 540 pips. And then, this is 4-hour time frame. The last 12 candles. It took the gold around, I would say around like 2 days maybe, to rise for around 450 pips. And then in one single day at the closing of Friday, it dropped for around 600 pips. So all this hard work of the bullies of the bulls actually has been wiped out, which means now we have here a double top pattern. And the gold most likely right now will continue to fall again till it reach this level of a real support at 2845. Exactly, right here, 2854. So again, we are looking for another 280 pips of profit. But again, we will not sell right now because we will wait for the gold to make a pullback. Right here, right now. The gold is actually right now on a support zone. So there is a possibility of a pullback to happen. So where exactly we can start shorting the gold to have the good results? In my opinion, it's going to be a good idea to short the gold exactly right here at this level of a resistance at 2906. And also, if we look carefully right now, let me just now move to the 1-hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1-hour time frame, we can notice it clearly that we had also right here a resistance trend line. Check this out. Interesting, actually, to make it accurate. It's like that fantastic. So now we can see that the gold actually has a chance after making a pullback upon the pressure. The support to rise again to reach the same level of a resistance strength line, and afterward it will continue the fall toward our desired take profit level. But again, we would like to see the help of Fibonacci to find the accurate level to start shorting. How we can do that by simply draw the Fibonacci right here from this level of a support all the way, right here to the highest level of resistance. Check this out. Yes, indeed. It's going to be actually at 38.2, which is going to be around 2.96, which matches, of course, with the Fibonacci retracement and the resistance trend line as well. Now, another way to confirm this entry can be used by looking at this level here of a resistance string line. Let me just show it to you right here exactly. Check this out. Fantastic. So again, here we have a resistance trend line. It became here a supported trend line for once, and look at that again. After the bearish breakout happened again, a small attempt of a support trend line, and again another breakout. So now the gold is getting weaker. As you can see, not a single attempt of a supported trend line right here is being respected. We have a 1. We have only one attempt of a supported trend line that instantly been broken out from, again, a support trend line instantly been broken out from. So therefore, we are hoping for the gold to make a pullback, then respect the same level of a resistance string line, and afterward we'll continue the fall toward our take profit level. So that being said, let's sell the gold right here at 296. And if that happens, 2906. Sorry, if that happens, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance, right here at 2926, which means our safe zone will be ranging for exactly 190 pips, and take profit level will be around 526 pips of profit. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold. Again, I really hope it's going to work well, and hopefully we will make good profits together. And again, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal again. Guys, here is the channel Extreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.